free drone courses. That's right. I'm giving my first drone course away completely free for the next 31 days. I made the coupons today. I don't know how long they're gonna last. They're gonna last until the 29th or the 30th of the next month. Why am I giving away my course for free? Well, guys, this is a brand new channel. We are going to be reviewing a bunch of stuff. Specifically, we're going to be reviewing a lot of drones. We're gonna start off with a lot of drones. I mean, I'm in drones, right? So it makes sense. For anyone who doesn't know who I am an instructor by trade. When it comes to drones, I instruct people like the police, military. I kind of know what I'm doing is what I'm saying, and I've got a bunch of material coming out for you guys, reviews of different drones and honest opinions as an instructor of drones, what drone you should buy, which drone you shouldn't buy. And I figured, well, if you guys are going to be looking at this, you might as well get some experience in flight planning. So this course that I'm giving away is the Introduction to Flight Planning. It's going to teach you all about drones. Not all about drones, but it's going to teach you the basics about drones, but it's a lot, okay? It's 4 hours, it's a 4-hour course. That's really not that bad, but it is 4 hours worth of content, so just be prepared for that, okay? Free links in the description, bros. Go and check it out. Also, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe on this channel for those upcoming videos coming out. We've also got other stuff coming up like gaming microphones and headsets and other cool stuff like that, but for now I'm starting with the drones. So go check those vids out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, leave a like, and I really appreciate you just joining the channel, hopping on with this. And I hope you enjoy the course as well. Okay, bye.